De La Torre wide open for 3. Off target. Dive for the ball. Oh, pass back De La Torre here. Drives on the corner side. Step off the glass. Baggett is good. Ball. Drives, bounce pass to Jackson. Move, pull up jumper. Baggett for 2. On the second quarter, corner pass.
Attacks.
Lays up. Easy Baggett. Tapikan na agawan.
3 minutes 31.
Yes, High Walker! Skywalker! Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Palarong Pambansa 2024 Do or Die para sa laban ng Central Visayas versus Region 3. Jump ball mga idol, first ball possession, Central and tie game tayo mga idol. Pass to the corner. And to the corner, drives, stops, cross pass, ball is stolen para sa Region 3, lays up, and Central Visayas, kinugulo, bounce pass, corner attack, side step pass to the middle, corner pass, launches, long 3, rebound here, put back shot, and Baggett, and 6-5 score natin mga idol. Here you go, Team NCR, bounce pass there off the glass, Baggett for 2, and here's launches 3, bang, 3 score, time remaining 6 minutes 28, attacks, kicks out, and number 14 fires a 3-ball, bang, and a pass break here, Moral, spin move, pass to the middle, ball is stolen for Central Visayas, 2-on-2, drives, lays, Baggett is good. Inbound, time remaining 4 minutes 40 seconds on the first quarter. Pass to the corner, pass to the middle, Moral drives, step back, fires inside, and almost end, ball is stolen. Dagatan, bounce pass, number 30, kicks, clutch, fires, no good, still rebound, kicks corner, Sor 3, bam! Nothing but net. Tapikan na agawan. 3 minutes 35 seconds. High Walker! Skywalker. And number 14, Dagatan. De La Torre drives side step. Supalpal mula sa likod. Recovers, fakes. Middle branch 3. Bam! 3 points. Number 14, number 12. Pass to the middle, number 14. Number 12, fakes. Drives. Nabitawan ng bola. Recovered, Dagatan. Dagatan, pass to number 30, pull up jumper, Baggett is good. Other shot, no good. And long pass here. Fires, easy basket. Number 30 for Central Visayas. Pass to the middle, number 14. 1 minute 25 seconds left on the first quarter. And number 14 launched the 3 off the target. And here you go, Moral, crossover, pass to the middle, ay tinira, pass inside, alley-oop, pass and the finish. 55 seconds left on the first quarter, number 14, Dagatan to number 30, pass to the corner, fires a 3-ball, bang, bullseye. That's the end. Start of the second quarter. Moral to Jackson. Jackson pass to the corner. Mercado launch a 3. Oop! Nasundan dun. And bounce pass here. Pass to the corner. And drives. Naagawan na naman dito. A chance para may baba ulit ang lamang. Yes sir, easy Baggett. Down to 7 ang score natin para sa koponan ng Central Visayas. Pull up J, Baggett is good. Rebound for Region 3. Central Luzon. Jackson kicks to the middle. Stop water shot. And rebound number 13. Slays off the glass, yes sir. Here's Jackson. Pass to the Jackson. Picks. Pass to number 16. Drives. Naagawan. Pass to number 1. De La Torre. 1-on-1. Lays. And here's Moral. Side step. Lays up. Basket and 1. Offensive ball. No basket. And here you go, side step, reverse layup, yes sir! And tie game tayo mga idol, De La Torre here. Attack, side step, pass on the inside, ball is stolen, pass break, a chance to lead the game, Moral, lays up, bucket is good! Inbound here, number 16, pass to Moral, pass to the middle, lays up, oh what a play! La Torre, attacks from the middle, lays down to 1 ang kalamangan natin. Pass to the middle na agawan. A chance to lead the game. No good. Picks. De La Torre is setting the play. 4 minutes, 20 seconds left. Pass there to the corner. Pull up jumper. Too strong. And agawan dito for the lead. Pass off the glass. Lead the game. 5 on 4. De La Torre wide open for 3. Off target. Dive for the ball. Nagdaga na. 3 minutes, 15 seconds left on the second quarter. Corner pass. Attacks. Lays up. Easy bucket. Inside na. Topican. Pass break. Recovers. And 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Attacks. Corner pass. Jackson, pass to the middle, spins, kicks out, drives, corner pass, alley-oop pass! Number 30 for Central Visayas, Dagatan, bounce pass number 30, spin move, bounce off the glass, bucket is good! And naagawan ni Dagatan, Dagatan lays up, easy bucket, Dagatan! Moral crossover, Moral behind the back dribble, Moral, ginugulo ni Dagatan, Moral, stops, corner pass, open for 3, Mercado, follow-up shot, and here's Mercado, spins, pass to Jackson, pass inside, libre, easy bucket, ball possession for Central Luzon, Jackson to Mercado, pass on the inside, drives na libre, kinala, basket and 1. Bound here, na libre, in and out, rebound, put back shot of the glass, yes sir. And now Central Visayas up by 6. And spin move number 30 here, naagawan na naman, Moral, dire-diretso no hesitation, lays, bucket is good, back to 55-44 score. And 8 minutes, 50 seconds. Here's Dagatan. He stops. Pass to number 1, De La Torre. Launches 3. Bang! Setting the play. Bounce pass to number 30. Number 30. Pass to the corner. De La Torre attacks. Minecos kicks. Corner 3. Off the target. Rebound. Put back shot number 19. Easy bucket. And here's number 16. Drives all the way, pass to the corner, fires off the glass, Jackson for 2. 19, Castro, pass to the corner, launches 3. Off target. And Moral here. Long pass, sakto yung pasa, sakto yung tira, easy bucket. Malaban ng kalamangan ng Central Luzon, number 30. To Dagatan. Dagatan creating space, pass to the corner, De La Torre for 3. Off the target, rebound, Alvo, follow-up shot. For the inbound here, Moral, to the middle, Mercado. Mercado holds the ball, dribble the ball, drives, bounce pass to Jackson, spin move, pull-up jumper, bucket for 2. Dagatan, bounce pass to De La Torre. De La Torre holding the ball, pass to the middle. Pass back, De La Torre here. Drives on the corner, side step, pull-up jumper off the glass, bucket is good. Here para matapik, recovered by Moral, stolen, Dagatan all alone, easy basket. And here's Moral, sumisigsag, nagdadance-dance, side step, pass to Jackson, floater, bucket for 2. Mercado. Pass to Moral, Moral crossover. Moral ginardyan ng dalawa, pass inside, fakes, bumalik. Natapikan. De La Torre to Dagatan. Bounce pass inside. Oop, nabitawan. Spins. Fire. Bucket for 2. For the backdoor inbound here. Alley-oop pass. And connects. And down to 4 tayo mga idol. Number 19. Stolen. Nag-dive. Binounce pass. Nakuha ni Jackson. Jackson pass to the corner. Step back floater. In and out. Pull up. Oh, follow-up shot. Di naganan ng... And sakto yung pasa. Lays up. Basket and one. For completing the 3-point play here. Bucket. And 1 minute left on the third quarter. Naagawan mula sa likod. Castro crossover. Behind the back dribble. Pass to number 2, corner pass. Number 12 here spins. Number 2 for 3. Fire. No good. Rebound. Corner pass. Stop. For 3. No good. Rebound. Kicks out for 3 again. Ooh. Morale bababa ang bola. Tuloy-tuloy. No look pass. Oh, behind the back pass. Bucket is good. Setting the play. He's slowly moving down. Pass to the corner. Jackson. Bounce pass inside. Libre na naman. Bucket for 2. 70-63 score. Sasalaksak number 30. Pinabitin. Lucky bounce. And the pass break here. Sakto yung pasa. Kumaldag. Tumira. Pasok yan. Ayan yung Mercado. Naagawan. De La Torre. Easy bucket. Skywalker. Mercado holding the ball. Pass to Pars. Bucket is good. Pass to number 1. Corner pass. Drives. Lays up. No good. Rebound Jackson. Pass break ngayon. One bounce. Lays. Easy bucket. And number 14. And here's Dagatan. Dagatan. Pass to the middle. Number 30. Corner pass. Open for 3. Bang! Down to 6. And it's Moral. Moral. Behind the back dribble. Crossover. Launches on 3. Off the target. Rebound Jackson. For the backdoor inbound here. Moral looking for the receiver. Pass to the middle. Natapikan. And a chance to deduct the lead. Number 10. Open for 3. Off the target, rebound. Picks, clutch. Ipar, boost ang pal. Corner pass again. Wild open for 3. Wala pa rin. Moral. Moral drives all the way. Plays pass. Oh, bucket for 2. Jackson, ibababa ang bola. Jackson. Jackson pinasa kay number 30. Pinabiti. And ball possession for Central Visayas. Number 6 holds the ball looking for the receiver. Number 30 to number 10. Long 3. Off the target. And rebound by Castro. Castro to number 10. Number 30. Number 10 again for 3. Nice steal. No good. Rebound here na agawan. Number 30. Launches on 3. Off the target. Uy, Anspo ang tawag sa loob. Traveling. And a ball possession here for team Central Luzon. Nakuha ng Central Visayas. Natapikan na recover. Kicks out. De La Torre holds the ball. Corner pass. Wild open for 3. Still no good. Put back shot. Bucket is good. Down to 5. Down to 6. Nakuha ni Moral. Diretso. 2 free throws on Moral. In and out. Second free throw on Moral. Still won't go. Battle for the rebound. Rebound number 30. Central Visayas. Naagawan mula sa likod. Number 30. Moral. Pass back. Number 30. Pass to Moral. Moral. Pass to number 30. Picks. Pass back Moral. Setting the play. Moral. 1 minute 30 seconds for 3. Bam! Pulls up. De La Torre. Central Visayas. 1 minute 25 seconds left. Lays up. Won't go. Recovered picks. Clutch. First throw on Castro. Oh, in and out. Second throw on Castro. Bucket. For the inbound Moral. Looking for the receiver here. Oh, pinasahan ang kalaban. Castro. Tumatake, De La Torre supalpal. Natapikan, naagawan. Moral, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Fires, so strong. And nakuha ni number 30, Central Visayas. Corner number 2 for 3. Bang! Here, 5 minutes, 55 seconds. And here's number 30, dribbling the ball. Sumegway, binaba ang bola. Nagkatapikan. May foul. 2 on the free throw line. Bucket. Last on the free throw line. Fires. Bucket. And here's Central Visayas. Dagatan. Dagatan first throw. Bucket. Second throw. Bucket. 2 on the free throw. Jackson. Second free throw. Jackson. In and out. Number 30. And here's Dagatan. Pass to number 1, De La Torre drives. Supalpal. 30. First on the free throw line. Bucket. Last on the free throw line. No good. And it's number 30, Central Visayas. Dagatan, long 3. Off target, rebound. De La Torre for 3. Off target again. Reverse layup. And here you go. Dagatan. Long 3. Oh. Congratulations. Region 3. Central Luzon. Laglag ang Central Visayas.